How to use real estate to become rich with any income. Hey there, it's Tony Poppet. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate tips and strategies to help you build wealth, no matter your starting point. Today, we're talking about something that many people wonder about: how to use real estate to become rich, regardless of your income. You don't have to be wealthy to start building wealth through real estate. Whether you're earning a little or a lot, there are strategies that can help you grow your financial future. So let's dive into how real estate can be the key to financial freedom. 1. Start small with house hacking. One of the best ways to get started in real estate, especially if you're on a tighter budget, is through house hacking. This means buying a property and renting out part of it to help cover your mortgage. For example, you could buy a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rent from your tenants can significantly offset your mortgage payments or even cover the entire cost. This allows you to live for free or at a reduced cost while building equity in the property over time. Tip: FHA loans allow you to put as little as 3.5% down if you're living in one of the units, making it more accessible for first-time buyers. 2. Leverage equity and appreciation. Real estate allows you to build equity over time, which can become a powerful tool for growing wealth. As you pay down your mortgage, your ownership stake in the property grows, and as property values increase, so does the value of your investment. Once you've built enough equity, you can use it to buy additional properties or reinvest into other opportunities. This is how many people turn one property into a portfolio of properties, building wealth over time. Tip: if the market appreciates, you can also refinance your home, pull out some of the equity, and use that cash to buy your next investment property. 3. Use rental income to build wealth. Rental income is one of the most straightforward ways to build wealth through real estate. Once you own a property, renting it out allows you to create a steady cash flow. This income not only helps cover your mortgage, but also provides you with extra money to save, reinvest, or enjoy. Over time, your tenants essentially pay down your mortgage for you, while the property continues to appreciate in value. You end up with a growing asset and a reliable source of income. Tip: start with a single-family rental or a small multifamily property to begin generating rental income, and scale up as you get more comfortable. 4. The power of 1031 exchange. For those who already own an investment property, the 1031 exchange is a powerful tool for building wealth. A 1031 exchange allows you to defer paying capital gains taxes when you sell a property, as long as you reinvest the profits into a similar type of property. This means you can keep rolling your profits into bigger and better investments without losing money to taxes. Over time, this can help you move from smaller properties to larger, more profitable ones, all while minimizing your tax liability. Tip: make sure you follow the 1031 exchange rules carefully, especially the 180-day reinvestment window, to avoid paying taxes. 5. Real estate investing with REITs. If owning physical properties seems out of reach, or you don't want the responsibility of being a landlord, you can still invest in real estate through real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning a property. You can buy shares in a REIT just like you would with a stock, and in return, you get to enjoy dividends from the rental income generated by the properties owned by the trust. This is a great option if you're looking to diversify your investments or don't have a large down payment available. Tip: look for REITs with a strong history of dividends and solid management to ensure you're investing in a stable fund. 6. Buy in emerging markets. Another strategy is to buy properties in emerging markets. These are areas where property values are expected to rise due to factors like new infrastructure, job growth, or population increases. Buying in these areas early can allow you to get in at a lower price, while benefiting from appreciation over time. It's all about location, location, location. Do your research to find out where the next big real estate hotspots are and get in before the prices skyrocket. 7. Use leverage to maximize your returns. One of the greatest advantages of real estate is the ability to use leverage or borrowing money to increase your returns. When you use a mortgage to buy a property, you're using leverage to control a large asset with a relatively small amount of money. As the property appreciates, you get to enjoy the gains on the full value of the property, not just the portion you paid for in cash. This allows you to amplify your returns and grow your wealth faster than if you were investing with only your own money. Final thoughts. Real estate is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth, and the best part is that you can start no matter your income level. Whether it's house hacking, leveraging rental income, or investing through REITs, there are plenty of ways to use real estate to grow your financial future. If you're ready to get started or want to learn more about the best strategy for your situation, feel free to reach out. I've included a calendar link in the description below where you can book a no-obligation meeting with me. We can chat about your goals and how real estate can help you achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building wealth through real estate. See you next time.